Good afternoon, everyone. Previous session we learnt about factors affecting location of industries. And today's class we are going to learn about industrial system. Industrial system. See, an industrial system consists of inputs, processes, and outputs. So these are the main in this system. So, an industrial system consists of inputs and processes and output. So, this we used to call as an industrial system. See, here the inputs are raw materials. Getting now? So, the inputs are raw materials. Only the raw materials, because already we discussed previous class, there are the different factors which are affecting the location of industries. So here, not only the raw materials, so it's including labors, it's including labors, and also costs of land, costs of land. Getting now, cost of land and even the transport, infrastructure. Getting now, so infrastructure. See, these are all actually inputs in the in an industrial system. These are all actually inputs or understood. These are all inputs in an industrial system, such as raw materials, labors, costs of land, transport, and infrastructure. See, the processes, it include a wide range of activities. The processes include a wide range of activities that convert the raw materials into finished goods. So here actually the process, so that convert raw material into the products, or what we call raw into finished goods. Understood? So the processes include a wide range of activities that convert the raw material into finished goods or products. See, what are the outputs? What are the outputs? See, the outputs are the end of product and the income earned from it. Actually, the outputs are end of product and whatever that earned income. Understood? So these are output, end of the product Getting to students, end of the product and the income earned from that product. That is actually output. So this is what actually the process in an industrial system. It includes inputs, processes, and outputs. So the inputs including raw materials, labors, cost of land, transport, infrastructure. And in the processes, the raw materials so convert into finished goods. And in the output, so actually that is the end of the product and that earned income from that product. Getting these students. For example, in case of the textile industry, in case of the textile industry, the inputs may be, can you guess anybody? Of course, the cotton, human labor, factory, and transport cost. So these are the input in the textile industry. And what is the process? The processes are that is including ginning, spinning, weaving, dyeing and printing. So these are all actually the processes in the textile industry. In the textile industry, so it is actually that's what I have told. It's actually a wide range activities. The wide range of activities that convert the raw material into finished goods. So in the cotton mill or in the cotton textile industries, the processes including ginning, spinning, weaving, dyeing and printing. And what is the output? That is a shirt, the ready shirt. The output is the shirt. This is one example, dear students. Now let us discuss about, I hope dear students you all have understood about what is an industrial system. An industrial system consists of inputs, processes and outputs and whatever we discussed in this. Understood with the example of cotton textile industry. Now let us discuss about industrial region. Industrial regions. See, industrial regions emerge when a number of industries locate close to each other and share the benefits of their closeness. So that we used to call industrial regions. So industrial regions emerge when a number of industries locate close to each other and share the benefits of their closeness. Major industrial regions of the world. So please look your textbook in the world's industrial regions. Then that shows the world industrial belt and industrial region in a different color. So by studying that map, so we can able to understand about the industrial belt and world industrial region. See, the major industrial regions of the world are Eastern North America, Western and Central Europe, and Eastern Europe and Eastern Asia. Getting these students. So, the major industrial regions of the world are Eastern North America, Eastern North America, Western and Central Europe, Western and Central Europe and Eastern Europe and Eastern Asia. See, the major industrial regions tend to be located in the temperate areas. Understood now? So, the major industrial regions tend to be located in the temperate areas near seaports, especially near coal fields. So, which is essential for industries. Getting dear students. So, India has several industrial regions. What about India? So, it is about world. And what about India? So, in India also there are several industrial regions like Mumbai Pune cluster, Mumbai Pune cluster, okay, and Bangalore Tamil Nadu region, Bangalore Tamil Nadu region, and Hooghly region, then after Ahmedabad Baroda region, Ahmedabad Baroda region, and Chota Nagpur Industrial Belt, Chota Nagpur Industrial Belt, and Visakhapatnam Guntur Belt, Visakhapatnam Guntur Belt, and also Gurgaon Delhi Meerut region, and also Gurgaon Delhi Meerut region. Okay, then Kollam Tiruvananthapuram Industrial Cluster, Kollam Kollam Tiruvananthapuram Industrial Cluster. So these are the major industrial regions in our country. Getting dear students. So it is about the world major industrial regions such as Eastern North America, Western and Central Europe, Eastern Europe and Eastern Asia. And the major India's major industrial regions are Mumbai Pune cluster, Bangalore Tamil Nadu region, Hooghly region, Ahmedabad Baroda region, Chota Nagpur industrial belt, Visakhapatnam and Guntur industrial belt, Gurgaon Delhi Meerut industrial region, and Kollam Thiruvananthapuram industrial cluster. So these are the industrial regions of our country. Getting to students. See, like this, if you study, I mean, so I request you, all of you, go through the world's industrial regions map. That is this chapter, the figure 5.4, that shows in a different color the world industrial belt and industrial regions. Getting dear students. So, like this, throughout the world, there we can see the industries are established in a different regions. Especially these are the world major industrial regions, and these are India's major industrial regions. Getting now. Now let us discuss about distribution of major industries. Distribution of major industries. Distribution of major industries. See, the world's major industries are the iron and steel industry. So the major industries are iron and steel industries. Understood now. So the major world's major industries, the iron and steel industry, the textile industries, the textile industries, and the information technology industries, the information technology industry. Getting now, and here dear students, the iron and steel and textile industries are the older industries, iron and steel and the textile industries. So, so these are older industries. Getting now? So these are older industries. So this, the information technology is an emerging industry. The information technology, it is an emerging industry. See, the countries in which iron and steel industry is located, especially the countries in which iron and steel industry is located are Germany, USA, China, Japan and Russia. Getting dear students. So the iron and steel industries are located in Germany. Understood. Germany, USA, Germany, USA, China, Japan and Russia. USA, China, Japan and Russia. So in these countries we can see the more number of iron and steel industries. So the world's major iron and steel industries are located in these countries: Germany, USA, China, Japan and Russia. And what about textile industries? See, the textile industry is concentrated in India, Hong Kong, India, Hong Kong, South Korea, Japan, South Korea, Japan and Taiwan. and Taiwan. See, the world's major iron and steel industries located on Germany, USA, China, Japan, and Russia. And the same, the world's major textile industries are located in India, Hong Kong, South Korea, Japan, and Taiwan. And what about the information technology industries? Information technology industry. See, the major hubs of information technology industries are the Silicon Valley of Central California and the Bangalore region of India. So these are the major hubs of information textile industry. Getting dear students. So the major information technology industries, actually these are called the major hubs of the information technology industries. So where now Silicon Valley of Central California, Silicon Valley of Central California, understood? Silicon Valley of Central California and the Bangalore region of India. So the Silicon Valley of Central California and Bangalore region of India are the major hubs of information technology industry. Getting dear students. So like this information technology industries means that is ITBT. Understood? The ITBT industries. So these are the distribution of major industries such as iron and steel industries and the textile industries. So actually the iron and steel industry and textile industries actually it's called the older industries, and the information technology industry is actually called as an emerging industry. Understood now? So these are the major world countries of the iron and steel industry, and these are the major regions or the countries of the textile industry, and these two are the major hubs of the information technology industry such as the Silicon Valley of Central California and the Bangalore region. And the next class we are going to discuss about iron and steel industry. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.